Arundhati Pange, President 2017 for the Rotaract Club of S.K. Somaiya College.
Hi, this is Rotaractor Jeenal Thakkar, past President of the Rotaract Club of S.K. Somaiya.
Hello everyone, this is Rotaractor Yashvi Gandhi, immediate past President of the Rotaract Club of S.K. Somaiya College.
Yeah, so then one thing Rotaract has taught me is the pure essence of humanity, what a humanity actually is and how it can actually help others, what you can do for others. The word compassion, the true meaning I have understood about the word compassion is just by working for this organization. And to be very honest, I have maybe I might have not given my 100% for this, but today what the personality traits that we develop is wholly and solely is because of Rotaract.
I have become a completely different person than who I used to be before. It's a different feeling, you know, after every year has ended. I've been in the movement since last 3 years now, and after every year that has ended, I have seen something new in me. There are many things that have changed, but this is one thing, that's patience.
Okay, so in my 3 years of Rotaraction, I have seen myself witness from being very underconfident to holding a strong personality, from being fragile to being bold, from being irresponsible to knowing my responsibilities well, from being very unfocused to being more determined and tenacious.
I would say becoming greater together is one of the phrases which I have always, no matter what, I have always used it, not just for Rotaract but for a billion other things. And another one is my year's theme, that is strive to achieve, which is you have to work hard if you want to achieve anything in life. So these are the two phrases which I would like really want each Rotaractor to dot it down no matter what.
It's my extended family. I don't have to say anything ahead of that. Everybody who has been a part of this journey along with me knows, and they know who they are.
Give the Rotaract movement your complete faith and dedication, and the returns will be in abundance.
Best moment, so I'll probably one moment and the best moment question, I'll just combine it together, is when when I came to Somaiya, I was like, bhai ye college mein koi club nahi hai kya? So then they were like, nahi aisa kuch nahi hai. Then I was sitting at Matunga station. I made Jheel sit there and I told her, listen Jheel, I have this one plan, you have to listen to it. So that instant yes that I heard from her, and she was like, no Pange, we have to do it, you can do it, and it's gonna be great. So I was like, okay. Then we proposed the plan to Jeenal. Jeenal was absolutely speechless. She had no clue what the hell are we talking, but then somehow that was the best moment, because none of them told me a no. I did not face rejection from these two, and if I would have faced rejection from these two at like my initial stage, trust me, where we are today in SK Somaiya, it wouldn't have ever been possible.
I think everybody would say that it was when they as presidents got inducted. Well, no, for me it was when I handed over to the incoming leader, that's Rotaractor Yashvi Gandhi, my successor. This is because I know that I could do something for the moment. I was successful then, and hence it's not my incoming, but it was when I actually did something, and then I knew that, hey, I deserve to be where I was. I deserved that position. I deserved all the appreciation that I've been getting. Undoubtedly, when I got this opportunity to promote Rotaract as an organization, not only my club but the entire organization, on national television, which has got more than I don't know how many millions views, and not only that, but after all of that happening, the messages, the love from all over India I have received, saying that, hey, you've done so well. You are taking the Rotaract branding to another level. I think, yes, I am taking back. That is what I'm going to take back.
Until the last day of my presidentship, I always thought that getting the collar in front of so many people is the best moment of my presidentship. But it is actually the last day, that is 30th June 2020, where I realized that I have inspired so many people and so many lives have impacted because of my actions. So yeah, according to me, that is the best moment of my Rotaract journey. The one moment that I'm never going to forget is going to be the time where I was delivering the speech for my president's election. And I remember how terrified I was. I was shivering and I was completely in a different zone that time. And that time I realized that how much love I carry for Rotaract and how much I want to give the movement back. So yeah.
I would say that the journey of being a president, I was more like a member, to be very honest, because even I was new to the club and even the members were also new to the club. It was unka bhi first year tha, mera bhi first year tha in the club. So then it was more, I was more eager to create the stability for the club so that it's there for the long run. And I guess that's it.
This in one word, but all I want to say is, we always say that expectations lead to disappointment. Well, no, expectations lead to more power. What everybody had expected out of me, I can proudly say it today that I outstood the commitments I had made. I did something more than what I had committed, and well, hence, expect the unexpected.
One thing that I realized at the end of the year is that unless and until you start acting for your goals and aims, you're not going to know of all the capabilities that you hold inside yourself. Also, I feel I have done justice to the position, and now the club is in safe hands with amazing leaders and amazing vision to take the club forward. Thank you.
So, congratulations to Yashvi and her entire team. You guys have been super, super, super amazing. And your constant support to your BODs and members has been really great. I've seen few of your events online. And good job. Continue doing the same work. And also, Komal, talking about you, I just hope you have an amazing year. You have all our blessings and all our good wishes with you forever. Good job.
Thank you. Congratulations, Yashvi, and all the very best, Komal. This is going to be an amazing year. Trust me, this experience is going to be one hell of a time for you, and you never know what it's going to turn out to be for you. Just one opportunity, and I think there will be something waiting for you ahead, and just don't waste it. Grab that opportunity as well. Just don't stick to the year. Think something ahead of that as well. All the best to the entire team and Yashvi and the entire outgoing team. Thank you for this amazing year. Thank you for taking this club ahead, and every single person who's been a part of this club this year, 1920. Congratulations, you all have done just amazing, and good luck, Komal.
To share my experience of me being a president. So yeah, it was like I was not even sure about applying for the post, but later I did, and it turned out to be a year wherein I have learned and grew like something I never believed I can do. And the entire team, the all 27 of us, have stuck from day one till our 365th date, and that is something I'm really happy about. And irrespective of every difficulty we faced in the club and in the anything, it was cleared, and everyone at the end was sticking to the club, which is something really important. And yeah, the movement has given a lot to me, and I am going to give my best to the movement again. So I hope the club also reaches greater heights in the coming years. And yeah, all the best to Komal. Thank you. And this is like after every speech, but thank you so much, Arundhati, Jeel, and Jinal,
to lay the foundation of the club. Thank you. Go, Komal.
I'd like to start from where Yashvi left. Thank you so much, Arundhati, Jinal, and Jeel for starting an organization that changed our lives truly. So you can see yourself evolve in just 1 year, and this is what is the power of Rotaract. They say the fourth year is the difficult one because the first 2-3 years are the one where you lay the foundation, and the fourth year is where you have to start executing and start meeting expectations. So this year is not going to be easy, but with all the support that I have and all my team, I hope this year is going to be great. And thank you so much.